Girl Bella.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be stepping into my stash, and this is the first of the 5 days of face palettes that I issued a challenge on last week on my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. This is the eye palette in Intensity 3, which is Moss Agate. This is Moss Agate. It's a beautiful, beautiful color story. I'm going to do the eyes first, and then I'll do the rest of the face using the illuminator and the bronzer. What I love about these shades is that you can use them all together, or you can use them as a one and done. They're very versatile and easy to blend. I'm using my Repro brush. This is the number 1. Wiping off the brush, I'm going to go into that purpley shade and deepen up my look a little bit. Right in that outer third. And I'm going to use the same brush for everything so I can show you how very versatile this palette is. So I used this one first, then I went in here. Next I'm going to go into this color, wiping off that same brush, and start patting that into the eye. Such a pretty color. Wow. Yeah, I love that. All right. See? It's so pretty that I just couldn't stop there. I had to go all the way. And this is not a color I usually wear a lot, but I'm finding myself being attracted to blues and greens a lot more. Okay, final shade is here, and I'm going to use that for my lower lash line. Babes, that is such a pretty color. Look at that. I'm for bronzer, and for that I'm going to be using the Sonia G Nietzsche Pro. And because I'm not using any blush, I'm going to actually move this across my entire cheek, and then concentrating on the jawline for a little bit extra help there. Of course, across the hairline and a little bit on the jawline as well. For the highlight, I'm going to take my Wayne Goss brush, lightly tap over the highlight, and just add it to the high points of my cheekbones. You all can see Dream. I gave her one of my pillows, so she's sitting right over here on the side, being very quiet, very nice. Just watching mommy, not making any noise. She's being very good today. Oh, I spoke too soon. Here she comes. As soon as I said that, here she go. Let's get the mascara action going. I'm going to start with the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. This is in the travel size, but I still have a lot more product to go through. So, using this up, grab a mirror. Oh, I got a little natural hair bristle on my chin. Why didn't y'all tell me I had that? For the second coat, I'm going to use the Super Fan mascara by Smashbox, the new Fade mascara. And just gonna separate these lashes that seem to want to clump together, and then adding a little bit more on the tips so that it extends a little further. So I was at my most recent chapter meeting, and one of my sorors came up to me and was like, look at my lashes, I still drop it low and wiggle slow. And I was like, that's my babe, that's my babe, they look fantastic. Drop it low and wiggle slow. That's what we do to our lashes to make them pop. I'm like, see, that's when you know you've made an impression, right? When they can recall something that you've said. Because I hadn't said that on a live or a recorded video in a long time. So I love the fact that she remembered that and recalled that. Drop it low and wiggle slow. But that's how we got these lashes, boo. All right, now it is lip action time. Chestnut by MAC. First steers me wrong. So what I've been doing lately is overlining my bottom lip, and then I press it together with my top lip to kind of create that illusion that my lips are a little bigger than they naturally are. And then I went over and kind of refined the top lip. So that's actually been working for me a lot lately. And let's see, what are we gonna do for a nudie lip? I think I'm gonna use Charlotte Darling in Pillow Talk. So let's put that on. Not quite the nudie I was going for, but I think it works. What do you all think? Think we got it? I think we do. Okay, and this is the final look. If you're not yet subscribed to me and you do actually like what I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload, post, go live, or whatever. Let me see those face palette challenges. What you're gonna do for day one. This is my look. Let's see yours. And don't forget to tag me at BrownGirlBella so I can see all those wonderful looks. All right, now, you have now been Bellafied. Take care. Brown Girl Bella.